Do you want to know how I have made it? Then let's start. Today I'm going to change this old wallet into a clutch purse, and you can see it's very shabby. And for this, the first step I'm taking is I have chosen this golden fabric for the purse, and I'm going to stick it on this wallet and turn it into a clutch purse. And I would say leave at least 1 inch of extra fabric on all sides, so that you can have a very neat and tidy look when you are done with this sticking thing. The measurements of this purse are 11 into 9.5 centimeters, and you can skewer the edges of the fabric by burning it. And you can see I have taken 2 strips of golden brocade fabric and stuck them on the side of the purse, because I wanted the purse to give a very neat look when I am sticking the main fabric on it. Before sticking the fabric, I had turned its 4 sides and stuck those sides with glue, and then started to stick that fabric on the purse. And I have started sticking the fabric near the zipper, so that the fabric wouldn't slip away. And I'm using a fabric glue, and this is yellowish transparent, but very strong. And if you haven't got this glue, choose a glue that's easily available at your place. And when you are sticking the fabric, remember there shouldn't be any wrinkles in the fabric, or the whole effect of your purse would be completely spoiled. I'm sorry if you are hearing a noise in the video, because these are my neighbors. They are talking very loudly, and there are white pigeons outside. Those pigeons are creating a lot of noise too. I can't do anything about it, so please ignore. Stick the second side in the same way. Your purse is ready in the sense the fabric is stuck, and this is completely golden. Now we are going to decorate it with bead vines and ribbon flowers. Firstly, I'm going to make bead vines. For this, I have taken pearls plus golden jewelry wire, and I'm going to make 4 bead vines. If you want to ask any questions, you can always ask them in the comment box, and I'll answer all your questions. So this is the purse, and the vines are ready too. And now I'm going to decorate it with ribbon flowers. These are a kind of marigolds. These flowers are a kind of marigold flower, and these are very easily found in my country. I haven't made these flowers here, but I'm going to make these flowers in the coming up videos, so stay tuned for those videos. Now I'm sticking the leaves, and I have made these leaves in 2 colors, dark or emerald green plus in the light green. For sticking flowers and leaves, I am using hot glue, or you can say I'm using hot glue gun. These are small ribbon roses, and I just to give these dark shade shaded flowers of foil. I have made them in off-white color, and I'm going to stick 4 flowers, each flower at a corner. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then I would say consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Now I am sticking bead vines, the vines we had made. This is done, and thank you for watching, and I would say have a wonderful day or evening or night wherever you are according to your time zone. So this was the shabby old wallet that's turned into a beautiful clutch purse.